Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie and today we are going to talk about weight loss. So first off, before I start, I want to show you guys my lashes that my boyfriend did for me. I've been without lashes for like 3 months and it's been really sad because I'm really bald without him. So I just want you guys to see them. He's still gonna fill them up a little bit more, but he did them really quick. At first when he started doing them, he took probably like 3 hours. Now he took yesterday like an hour and a half. So I'm so happy about that I have my personal lash man, which is my boyfriend. I'm gonna do this video without the glasses because there's too much glare going on. My boob is gonna pop. So I'm gonna be talking about weight loss. If you have been following me, you know that I lost a lot of weight. I lost over 100 pounds. If you follow me on Instagram and you watch my videos before, you have seen what I've been going through and the things that I've done. So welcome. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm just gonna talk a little bit about the reality about weight loss, what people don't really know. After you lose weight loss is amazing. Of course, it's something that you accomplish and that some people don't even know they can accomplish, but it's really possible to lose weight. However much you want to lose, it's possible to lose weight naturally. By the way, I didn't have any like weight loss surgeries or anything, but one of the things that you have to be prepared for is loose skin. There's gonna be loose skin. I did get a tummy tuck. You guys have probably seen my tummy tuck videos, and that's something I really don't regret. I actually love my results. If you're interested in seeing like my recovery and all that, I have videos on tummy tucks, so I'm gonna link them down below. But yeah, that was something I don't regret doing. However, I just only did my tummy because my lower stomach is where I had more issues with, so that's what I took off. However, I still have loose skin. Like if I show you my arms, there's still loose skin here. That's probably never gonna go away without surgery. Yes, I do workouts. I haven't stopped working out, but those really don't, this skin doesn't really go away just with the workouts. It can get better, it can get tighter, but also it depends on your what's it called, also I don't have a lot of loose skin in my thighs, but I do. Another part where I do have skin hanging is here. For example, right now I don't have a bra, but when I have a bra, it always like cuts off here, and then I have like this skin just hanging. That's something that also is never gonna go away just with workouts, but I'm okay with that. I'm not planning to get surgery all over my body. This is just because it's my fault. I got really super big. I used to be 230 pounds, and losing over 100 pounds it's obvious there's gonna be skin left. So that's one of the things that that's gonna happen regardless of what you do. Loose skin's gonna be there, and I learned to live with it. Sometimes it does bother me, sometimes it's like I'm like just whatever, like I don't care. Something else that I did want to talk about more deeply is that people look at you different. For example, me, a lot of people obviously know that I lost a lot of weight and they look up to me, and I'm really thankful for that, but also I feel like it's a lot of responsibility. I have like a lot of eyes on me, and they see me as a healthy person, and the person that doesn't eat junk food, and the person that works out all the time, and the person that's always motivated. But it's not really like that all of the time. Sometimes I'm not motivated. Sometimes I just want to eat a burger and a pizza and wings. I'm still a human, but I feel like just because people know that I lost so much weight, I'm not normal, or I am different, or I'm the healthy one. For example, like I've experienced like people offering other people like chips, for example, or like chocolate or whatever, and they come up to me and tell me, oh, I don't even bother asking you because I know you're gonna say no. I know you don't eat this. And it doesn't matter if I'm gonna say no. I think it's rude to not ask just because you think I'm gonna say no because I'm healthy or whatever. But I don't really like to label myself as healthy. There was a point in my life when I had like this eating disorder, and I was really obsessed with clean eating and no junk food, and I was under eating. I would eat so little, but then I went through some stuff. I lost my period. I know I wasn't being healthy. Yes, I was slimmer than now. I was thinner. I weighed less, probably like 25 pounds less, but I wasn't really healthy because I was so obsessed with eating a little bit and not eating anything. And basically I just needed to eat more. It was a way of my body telling me that I needed to eat more. So I reverse dieted, that's what you call it, and I started increasing calories and my carbs and my macros, and I got my period back. And now, yes, I'm a little bit heavier, but I have more muscle definition. My body shape is different, and I'm happy. I don't really care about the scale right now. But back to the food, I'm not like my lifestyle now. Yes, I live a healthy lifestyle. Yes, I eat healthy 80% of the time, but you know, I like to treat myself. I've been in this journey for almost, I think, like 9 to 10 years, and I want to enjoy life as well. I feel like I already accomplished a big goal of losing so much weight. I look at pictures that I, you know, have on my phone when I was overweight. I don't have many, but when I see them, I'm like, I can't believe that was me, and I can't believe this is me now. And I've maintained this weight loss for like 8 years, so for me it's amazing. Sometimes I'm so hard on myself and say, oh, you have some skin here, or you're gaining a few pounds, or you haven't worked out in 2 days, and I'm so hard on myself that I don't realize the big accomplishment that I already did. And it's not easy. I am also a personal trainer, which is another reason why I feel like a lot of people look up to me. But a lot of my clients, like, they tell me it's not easy to lose weight, and I know it's not. And that's why I become a coach, because coming from someone that has been there and has struggled with their weight for almost their whole life, I know what they're going through. And that's why I wanted to become a personal trainer and a coach, because I feel like I can really understand what they're going through. I know I've been where they are at right now, and I wish I had that motivation or that someone to push me when I was in their stage. Yes, I'm healthy, but you know, it's rude when people don't offer you things because you're the healthy one, or because you're not gonna say no, or because you don't eat that, or vice versa. If I'm eating something, or like a pizza or whatever, a chocolate, people look at me like, oh, you eat that now, or oh, you eat cookies now, or like, I'm still a human. I still crave things, especially around my period, and sometimes I do treat myself, and there's nothing wrong with that, because I eat pretty healthy the rest of the week, the rest of the day. I used to also have a lot of like cheat meals, or like once a week I would cheat, but I don't really like cheat meals, because first, you can eat so many calories in that cheat meal. You're obsessing over that day that's coming up, that's your cheat meal, and you just binge. That's not really a cheat meal. A lot of people call it like carb cycling. That's not really it. That's just you binging on food because you've been dieting so strictly all week, and then you binge that cheat day you have. That might not give you any results. That might even set you back a lot, so I don't really recommend that. But now I found that flexible eating helps me more to stay sane, to stay healthy. I try to hit my macros throughout the week, but whenever there's something that I'm craving, like a donut, I'm a sucker for donuts, or like whatever, I try to fit it into my macros. And if someday I even go over a little bit, that's completely fine, because I still work out 5 times a week. Where the fuck did you come from? Where the fuck did you come from? I'm learning to live a good life, but also don't miss out so much on things, because I used to be so strict. And if you're strict, good for you. You have a goal that you want to reach, and you want to be strict to reach that goal, go ahead. But whenever you reach that goal, don't forget that this is a lifestyle, and that you have to keep on going. Not as strict. Once you reach your goal, if you want to maintain, you get to eat a little bit more, you get to treat yourself a little bit more, but not go overboard, because it's really easy to gain weight. It's really hard to maintain weight loss. So I'm telling you right now, if you're in a weight loss journey, I'm so proud of you, and I know you can do it. I know you can reach your goal. Don't become so desperate. Be patient, because this is something that takes time. You're gonna get to your goal, but don't be in a hurry to get to your goal. You have your whole life to get healthy, and once you get to your goal, be careful. Like, still take care of yourself, but you know, don't be super strict. That's what I think helped me to stay on track for this long, and to maintain my weight loss for this long. Yes, I've gained a few pounds, like I mentioned at the beginning, but it was more intentionally. I was trying to gain muscle. I was trying to gain healthy weight. It's not like I just started eating whatever I wanted. I was still tracking my macros, but I increased my calories. So I hope this video was informative and helped you guys, and just a little reminder that I'm here for you, and I'm always trying to post videos to help you guys out with whether it's recipes or workouts. I'm still here. I know I haven't been uploading as often, but you guys know that I have a full-time job, and I'm really busy, but whenever I have time or a little chance, I go ahead and record for you guys. So thank you if you appreciate my videos, and thank you for following me on Instagram. If you haven't, please go follow me. It's FitSussie, and I would love to become friends with you. If I don't reply to your messages, don't get me wrong, it's not that I'm rude or stuck up or whatever. It's just that I get so many messages that it's really hard to get through to every message, but sometimes I do reply to however many I can. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't, and let me know if this video helped you guys and what else you would like to see from me. And please remember to do what's right, know what's easy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.